Earlier in this 5-part series, I shared some tips for how to make a garden-style arrangement, and in this video, I'm going to break down my step-by-step process of how to make a romantic centerpiece with a pedestal. Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFD. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. This video is part 4 of my 5-part series on how to make your wedding flowers. I will put the link to the other part of the series in the descriptions if you want to check those out as well. Have you ever went to a wedding? They had beautiful centerpieces, but they didn't do a good job of covering the mechanics. I mean, you can see all the stems are showing. All the mechanics like floral foam, floral tape, underneath dish are showing. At this moment, my designer habit probably want to fix it. But I'm just a guest of the wedding. I don't want to touch it. But if I don't fix it, I have to staring at it for the whole night. This is torture for me. So in this video, we will share with you some basic mechanics on how to make a romantic centerpiece with a pedestal. A few weeks ago, I went to a second-hand store and get one of this pedestal candle holder I thought would be a wonderful container for wedding. Later in this video, we will show you some professional secret on how to set up the base for this container. Don't miss it. In today's project, we will use some beautiful roses, carnations, leucanthus, and some unique greeneries for this arrangement. I will put all the flower list and products link on the descriptions so you can check them out. Alright, without any further delay, let's jump onto the project. At first, we will have our container and some floral supplies ready for this project. In here, we have Oasis Nomi dish and Midnight foam. After that, we soak the floral foam in the cold water. Just let them do their own thing. Please don't force it. Usually it takes less than a minute to soak up. This is very important. You don't want to create an air bubble inside the foam. It won't provide any water source for your flowers. In the next step, set up the foam on the dish. Cut 1/3 off from the Oasis to put it on the side to fill up the dish. After that, trim off the top for a better flower insert reason. And we will use floral tape to secure the foam on the dish. I have a habit to put floral tape around the container to finish it off. It is for the safety reasons. Make sure you take off the dish from the pedestal before you deliver it. It is better for transportations because you don't want any accident to happen. After we finish all the preparations, let's have some fun putting flowers on it. I hope that you guys found value in these videos. If you did, please be sure you give it a like. If you want to check out other part of the wedding videos, I will be sure to put a link on the description or have a card pop up here. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below. I love to share all the information and knowledge I have to help you to make a better wedding design. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.